Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it to at least 50% and plug into Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Once done, clear about 4 GB of space by moving photos to the SD card or deleting unused apps. This prevents installer errors. Next, open Settings, scroll to About Phone, and tap Software Update to check for new firmware. Do this now. You want the device idle during download. This initial setup reduces interruption risks and ensures the update can install cleanly. After confirming space and battery, tap Download when the update appears. Do not power off or remove the battery during transfer. The device will verify the package integrity. This prevents corrupted installs and may request you accept permissions for system changes. Once verification finishes, tap Install. Your phone will reboot automatically to apply the update. During this phase, the screen shows progress. Let it run. If you interrupt here, you risk a failed upgrade. So wait until the device reaches the home screen again. When the phone boots, verify the Android version under Settings About Phone to confirm success. If the update failed, first reboot and try again. Then clear the cache partition or free additional storage, because residual files often block installs. If problems persist, use Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC to reinstall firmware. It can recover the device safely. Keep in mind that repeated failures may indicate incompatible hardware or a region-locked update, so check model compatibility before forcing alternate firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.